This question to my guest tonight. Sanjay Chaudhary, spokesperson of the UP BJP. Shantanu Gupta is an author, and Faizan Kidwai is spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Dolly Sharma is joining us from the Congress Party. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, and thank you very much for joining us on the broadcast. I think it's only fitting and fair to start with Sanjay Chaudhary, who's spokesperson of the UP BJP. Sanjay ji, क्या हो गया? अकबर नगर में तो बुलडोजर चल गए, लेकिन पंतनगर में रुक क्यों गए?
देखिए, अकबर नगर और पंतनगर ये कुकरेल नदी के किनारे पर बने हुए इलाके हैं, लेकिन अकबर नगर में जो उसका कैचमेंट एरिया है इस कुकरेल नदी का, जो पूरी गंगा सफाई अभियान के में इस नदी को भी शामिल किया गया है, इसको लेकर इसके आसपास जो इलाके थे उसको सरकार ने खाली कराने की बात की थी, लेकिन लोग कोर्ट चले गए। हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट होते हुए डिसीजन उनके खिलाफ गया और सरकार ने जो इसकी हदबंदी की थी उसके आधार पर इसको खाली कराया। आगे का जो एरिया है वो उतनी जितनी जमीन सरकार को चाहिए उससे ज्यादा कुछ निशान लगा दिए गए थे और सरकार को के पास जब लोग गए कि जितना एरिया इसमें डिफाइंड है उससे ज्यादा कुछ लोगों ने इसमें निशान लगा दिए हैं, तो सरकार ने जो अधिकारी हैं उनसे बात करते हुए, अधिकारियों पर निर्देश देते हुए और जिन अधिकारियों ने उस एरिया से आगे जाके निशानदेही की है उनके खिलाफ भी प्रभावी कार्रवाई करते हुए इस अभियान को रोक दिया है। और पहले भी जिन इलाकों को खाली कराया था उन इलाके में रहने वाले लोगों को पूरी व्यवस्था के साथ उनको प्रधानमंत्री आवास देते हुए, वहां गैस देते हुए, वहां उनके लिए बेहतर व्यवस्था करते हुए उन्हें विस्थापित किया है। और यहाँ भी अगर कोई ऐसी जरूरत पड़ेगी तो सरकार उनको मुआवजा देकर वहां से हटाएगी। ये आज के जो निर्णय हुआ है उसमें शामिल है, तो दोनों निर्णय एक जैसे हैं, इसमें कोई बदलाव की बात।
Okay, Faizan Kidwai, would you want to come in here and respond to what the BJP spokesperson is saying? He's saying it was the officials who were actually at fault. They are the ones who on an overdrive that marked houses which need not be demolished, and that is why the brakes have been put on the bulldozer. There is no loss of confidence as far as the Yogi government is concerned. There is no Hindu-Muslim here. It's simply that.
See, if Yogi Adityanath doesn't know what his bureaucrats are doing, then he should step down immediately. That just goes on to prove that he's not only incompetent, but he's also lost. Because after the drubbing these people got in the Lok Sabha elections, I can understand that Mr. Yogi Adityanath's dream of being in line, second in line, to become the Prime Ministerial candidate for Bharatiya Janata Party, that has been shattered. And I heard today the Deputy CM of UP has met the Home Minister in Delhi. So there's a chatter that Mr. Adityanath might be removed from the post of Chief Minister. So maybe he's very rattled and confused. See, I just want to ask the Bharatiya Janata Party spokesperson what right you had to displace 1,800 people. They have been living on this land for decades. They have proper papers. They have registry with them. And if you wanted to displace them, why didn't you come up with a rehabilitation plan first? Why didn't you made a committee which would have gone there, spoken to the residents and made sure that their lives are not shattered the way they are today? See, Shreya, the unfortunate situation in Uttar Pradesh is that Mr. Adityanath, he thinks he is a dictator. He's a ruler. He's here to rule rather than serve. And this is the unfortunate situation Uttar Pradesh is in. But Samajwadi Party and the opposition, we are raising our voices, and the people of Uttar Pradesh are raising their voices. See, sir, Bharatiya Janata Party साहब, आप 62
dictators don't take U-turns, huh?
Dictators do take U-turns.
Dictators don't take U-turns, huh?
They do. You remember what happened in the 3 farm laws? Mr. Modi was forced by the farmers of India and the international community that he had to take back these 3 farm laws. So from these are different kind of dictators. They have Nitish Kumar with them, so they somewhat like the U-turn now. So Mr. Modi got so scared of he saw the real power of the people of India. So he eventually had to take the farm laws back, and Yogi had to take back these 2 laws that he passed for the teachers and as well as for the
I'm just
residents.
getting in